Hello, my name is Ryan Banks. I wanted to tell you about the vlog that I plan on creating. So I'm a huge fan of the show Survivor, and I thought it'd be really cool if I created like a Survivor themed trumpet trailer for the next episode that's gonna be playing on Survivor. So this is like the logo that I'm gonna try to use. I know it looks kind of like a joke, but it's gonna be something just kind of funny like that. It's like a whole like Survivor episode, but with trumpets instead of that. So the title of the vlog is going to be Trumpet Section Survivor. And how it's going to work is it's going to be the trailer for the next episode of Survivor. So it's going to start out by like saying last time on Survivor, and it's going to show someone who got voted off, like the trumpet section. And then it's going to talk about the next 5 remaining contestants, and it will proceed like give them that like their interviews like they have in the show, and like I'll be like we're asking them questions, things like that. It will show them in like challenges, which will just be them like playing their trumpet and stuff like that. And it will show like I'm gonna like give them each different like role. Like there'll be one that's like the one that cries a lot, one that's like super into the show and like really angry and stuff like that, and it'll be fun. And then the end of it will show like it'll be really suspenseful, like not knowing which of the 5 of us is gonna win and which one's gonna get voted off of the trumpet section, I guess. So for my plans for the audio and the background track and recording everything, most of the audio will be me narrating like explaining who each of the contestants are, and then each of their individual interviews, and then also the host, who's going to be Brother Alphen, will also be like saying some lines like you've been voted off this tribe or something like that. And throughout the entire video, there's going to be a background track that will be me either. I haven't decided how I'm going to do it exactly, but I know what I want to do. It's either going to be like it's not going to be very loud. It's not going to be very important. At the very beginning, it'll be a lot louder because it's going to be like the opening like title scene. And obviously at the end it'll be a lot louder, but throughout the rest of it, it's just gonna be like some quiet, either like a trumpet ensemble playing some of music from Survivor, or I'm gonna transcribe it for the piano and I'll play it on the piano. And then I have a Blue Snowball mic, and that's what will capture the audio, and my iPhone 11 will record all the videos. So all the details, so all filming will be done inside a snow building. I'm not going to go like anywhere special or anything like that. It's going to be in either practice rooms or in like Dr. Alphen's office for when he like snuffs their torch or a trumpet, and in the recital hall where we can do like all of us together playing trumpets and just like not like actually playing but like pretending to play. And filming will take place. I'm going to start doing it Monday, so I'll do it Monday through Friday the next 3 weeks. My availability is usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday from like 11 to 2. I have that free time, and then Tuesday and Thursday before Symphony Band and after Symphony Band, so like around 11 and then around like 3. So it's mostly because I need to coordinate with them, the people who are being recorded, when they can do that. And these are the people that are going to be in it. So Ryan Banks, Alex Moulton, Lynn Hall, Michael Mickelson, Shane McBride, John Gerber, and Andrew Alphen. So me, Alex, Michael, Shane, and John will be the ones who are in the show. Lynn will be the one who gets voted off last time, so he will just be in the very beginning, and then Brother Alphen will play the role of like Jeff Probst, who is the one who votes you off the island and things like that. So yeah, this is going to be my vlog. I'm really excited for it. It's a vlog. It's going to be more like a TV trailer for Survivor Trumpet Section. So that's it.